Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. Taking old Cindy Lauper for a, well, girls just want to have fun. Oh, the call of the void is strong. Not to worry, this is not my real finger. Ah, Jesus, fuck. A tool and die maker told me the reason it's like a 1911. It's got the grip safety, but it still don't feel safe. Not for no reason, but you may ask yourself why the healing bench is so filthy. One, research. Second, fella made a bet that this kindling would be in every video henceforward. I gotta help a fella out. You're welcome. Speaking to kindling, here's an ill-advised that the souls of batteries bygone. All you need is your insurance papers and your mortgage, and there you get a friction fire. They don't call it Japanese lightning for nothing. They don't call it Japanese light. I don't know. Fuck. I really should maybe at least squint my eyes. Fucking Christ, this is creeping me out. First off, I don't really like electricity. Second off, I don't want to cataract my third eye. Well, with the chemicals and the hand, oh, Jesus fucking. Fuck. Ah. Mightn't be, just getting over the coof. My heart is beating 200 beeps per blat. We had a hotbox party there. 12 people, 12, 15 people, and 22 come out with the latest itinerant. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Luckily, I just had a scratchy throat. What the fuck is gonna happen? Why am I so scared? I'm doing this outside. Fuck. Clearly safer out the side. These batteries are full of electrolyte that is flammable. Ginger carefully. Well, it turns out that was a wise decision. What's going on over here? I'll burn your hacienda down. By the Jeesless, clinging tenaciously to my false bravado would have got me in trouble in that tinderbox of a shop. The operation was successful, but the patient didn't survive. Where's Prudence when you need her? Scorch marks on the safety freezer. Not to worry. Next up is some double-aught. What are you, silly? Cable, not buckshot. Oh. Speaking of safety, I'm fingering we ought to put on the dancing shoes and take old Cindy Lauper for a date on the regular. What do you figure we should cut next? We're all about the safety third here in the Empire Dirt. One of the oft overlooked localities of safety is the industrial turlet. I'll shit off a cliff, I'll shit off a dock, but I'll be goddamned if I shit off the clock. This is for the stall, just to remind you, when the going gets rough, time to take a shit break. Stick that on the inside of the stall. Enjoy a chuckle with the lads. You got 2 other stickers as well. You know, sometimes, I mean every time, the boss just doesn't have the budget. And nobody got no fucking time at all. And somehow there is always time and money enough to do it right the second time. But when you're doing one of those jobs and you just want to be left alone, it'd be nice to have a label somewhere. A vintage kind of label. A safety label. Wherein you could just sort of point to it. And the hot breath of management down your crook of your neck just understands. You need to be left the fuck alone. I'm just going to stay in here where it's safe with Miss May June for a little bit. Maybe enjoy some buttery Chardonnay and a menthol cigarette. You know, modern vehicles always got that cover your ass message on their mirrors. It's a play on that. Also, truck drivers, when they're backing into stalls, they always got this, you know, look out for forklifts and so forth. Let me see if I can get you that there. Fix that later. Now, I thank you because I enjoy making these. I enjoy sharing a laugh in the shop. It's so damn serial all the time. So if you got a spare beer token, head on over to the Etsy and pick you some up. Share a laugh in the shop. And if you get no scratch, no problem, partner. Town Pump CNC, I will send you some. We'll set some aside for fellas what hurting, or maybe third world countries. I surely appreciate your help. You know the reasons. So thanks for watching. Keep your dick in a vice.